Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Acura Rdx headlight bulb. Begin by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and opening the hood. Identify the headlight housing and inspect the wiring and clip orientation. Wear gloves to avoid oil on the bulb and remove the connector carefully. Note bulb type and mounting style, so installation follows the exact reverse of removal for a secure fit and proper aim. Start by removing any plastic covers or fasteners blocking rear access to the headlight. Locate the retaining clip or socket and carefully release it without forcing the surrounding parts. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing its tab and pulling straight back. With gloves on, grasp the bulb base and pull it out in a straight motion to avoid bending tabs. Inspect the socket for corrosion before preparing the new bulb for insertion. With gloves on, remove the new bulb from its packaging and avoid touching the glass directly. Align the bulb tabs to the socket recess and seat it firmly, then re-engage the retaining clip or twist the socket to lock it. Reattach the electrical connector and test the headlight to confirm proper function and beam alignment. Replace any protective covers or fasteners and close the hood once everything is secure and functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.